just found a serious problem. There she is. Now we gotta, we just went and got the parts that we need, so let's put this down here for a second. The oil change on this truck, this will be the first time that I've done it. But I've heard that the oil filter is a pain to get to and it makes a mess. So one thing that we can do to kind of combat that is to grab a Ziploc bag. Alright, so now we're underneath the truck, and what you're going to be looking for is that guy right there. I almost forgot to put my gloves on. You know, no glove, no love, alright? No glove, no love. So let's put the bad boys on. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Wow, she's on there tight. You serious?
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh. AutoZone is the bolt extractor set. You don't need to get this, but you can kind of do whatever you want to get that bolt unloose. Just make sure you don't damage the pan. Here's the price and the part number and stuff like that. So from the kit, I'm using the 1/2 or 13 millimeter equivalent to extract this bolt here. So hopefully it all comes out. Wow, that was caked on there. There she goes. Oh wow, look how nasty that is. Wow. Why am I smelling fuel in the oil? So, just found a serious problem, and you should never smell fuel in the oil. Something is seriously wrong, either with an injector, a fuel pressure regulator. Something went bad and is going to be needing diagnosed. This bad boy right there has got to go. Well, I guess good initiative, bad judgment, because I'm getting oil everywhere. Oop, there she goes. There, oh, come on. Alright, we just took the Mobile One Extended Performance filter out, the M1210 Alpha. So we don't dry fire. We're going to put a little bit of oil into the actual filter before we put it on. Hand tighten it, don't over tighten it, and make sure it goes on straight and snug. Oil change has been completed. Oil pressure's at 56 psi. It's good oil pressure. there you guys have it. That's how you change the oil on a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. It's very basic, very simple. I know we ran into complications, but hey, that's gonna happen when it comes to mechanics. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell because it really helps us out.